Episode 100 is here and I'm like blown away. So I want to say thank you so much to all the great support, the listeners, the nice reviews, and please keep sharing this podcast because there's so much value in it. I also want to say thank you to all the guests that's been on the show over the last couple of years, sharing their expertise, their knowledge along the way. I've learned a lot and I'm sure a lot of other people have learned a lot. I want to celebrate this big milestone. So the next couple of episodes, I've changed the format just a little bit. So I had a lot of great guests on the show over the last couple of years, and I invited a few of them back to each episode. So I invited Don Akery, Walter Tobin, Mary Ellen Stagg, Brunson, Soots, and Toby Cornell. And each of them are bringing really unique perspective on leadership in the manufacturing and distribution industry. On the next 5 episodes, we're touching on how do you know if you're a good leader? It's a tough question. Also, what are your leadership values? How do you enhance your leadership skills? And how do you ask for feedback? And the last one, I love this one because it's more about the passion about the industry. So tune in, start your journey to become a much better leader in the manufacturing world. I hope you enjoy these next episodes. So stay curious, keep learning. See you next time.